In front of me is OPPO Reno11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by launching an app to use in this view and accessing it in the background. Then tap on those three dots at the top right corner and select Floating Window. Now click on this tiny one. As you can see, I can use my app in Floating Window. If you wish to scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it. To move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it as well. To use your app in full screen view, click at the top left corner, or hold one of its corners and drag it until you see this blue area. To close your app though, you can always click on the top right corner or swipe it in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!